Hello everyone, this is the ICOOH Andy. Today we wanted to show you our 2024 year's latest new product DM6 models. This DM6 is our company's special design for the off-road car using. For example, like the Toyota Fortuner and the Prado and the Land Cruiser 300s. This DM6 design is compared the AMG Six-Piston. The caliper is the one pieces, the caliper bracket and caliper is connect, and this caliper is used the forged two pieces design. And this DM6, because the bracket and the caliper is connected together, it can install on the car directly. Don't need the extra brackets. For example, like the Land Cruiser 200, you can plug and play these calipers. It's very well. And number 4, this caliper is very large. You can compare my hand and it's large caliper but can install on the small rooms. For example, the R18 inches. Like the off-road car, original wheels it can install directly. Don't need add the flange and the spacer. Our DM6 have the two model. Number 1 model is like this, have the bracket already. It can install a lot of off-road car. For example, like the Toyota Fortuner Hilux and the Prado and the Land Cruiser 250 and the Land Cruiser 300. And next is the Ford Ranger also. And number 2 model is like this without the bracket, so we can make the aluminum wheel bracket to connect a lot of cars. It's a universal. Our DM6, the first advantage is have the bracket and brake caliper connect together, so it's more stronger and more stable, so it's plug and play to install your car. Just like some original brakes, it's very stable and without the vibration. And number 2, because have the bracket already, so you don't need to worry about the fitment problem. And number 3 is this caliper is large, so after install on the R18 rooms will be look more beautiful, and this can install a lot of the off-road original wheels. Have the 60% quality, it can install this. DM6, the piston size is very large also. The small piston is the 13.4mm, the middle is the 13.6mm, and the big size is the 38.1mm. It's a large size, can provide a large performance for your car. Our DM6 can install the 345 to 355mm brake disc. And our ICOOH also is provide the one pieces brake disc and the caliper to connect the car. This set just for the Land Cruiser 200 plug and play kits. Install is very easy. So thank you so much for today watching my video. And if you want to know more information, please contact our website. Okay, thank you so much. See you next time.